This video brings you amazing and modern car gadgets that will not only make every journey easier, but also make your travel more comfortable and enjoyable, while some gadgets will help keep your car clean and well organized at all times. This armrest cushion, made of soft and thick memory foam, reduces arm pressure and provides better support for the elbows. Elastic bands make it easy to fix on the console, and it fits comfortably. Waterproof automobile armrest cover is made of high-quality microfiber leather, which is very thick and waterproof. Use the electric car jack kit to save time and energy on roadside emergencies or regular maintenance. This electric car jack that provides stability to safely raise your vehicles. Remove and install wheel nuts in just 5 seconds with the included powerful impact wrench in this car jack kit. And easily inflate tires in minutes. To organize the scattered items in your car, use a car seat organizer. Back seat organizer provides ample storage space, keeping your car clean and organized. It also doubles as a kick mat to protect your car seats from dirty little feet, ensuring a comfortable and worry-free travel experience. With excellent dirt resistance, our back seat organizer wipes clean easily and looks as good as new. Pelsi mirror camera detects vehicles in blind spots. Adjust its lens manually or through the screen. Pelsi P12 Plus mirror camera offers 4K front and 1080p rear recording. It records clear night footage so you don't miss any important details. Gives voice alerts for vehicle start, lane departure, and collisions. It monitors places your mirrors can't see. These microfiber towels absorb water fast and leave no streaks, keeping your car spotless. This is not like a normal towel. These durable towels make your cleaning routine easier and dry quickly after repeated use. Machine washable and suitable for low temperature drying. Car steering wheel desk. Perfect for eating, working, and organizing inside your car. Fills the gap to prevent items like phones or keys from falling. And adds a stylish premium touch to your car's interior. To reduce the discomfort of sitting in a car seat while traveling, use memory foam. It will feel like you're sitting on a cloud. Easily bends to fit and stays firmly on any seat. The contoured design improves posture and provides the best driving angle. If you're going on a trip, be sure to carry a cigarette lighter splitter with you, which provides 210 watts of power. Whether it's a dash cam, car fridge, or other devices, it provides charging for all. Or even if you need to charge mobile phones, and put it in multiple positions. And take out chilled cans at your leisure spot to make your trip memorable. If your car driving feels boring, turn on the LED lights using your mobile. You can use 44 dynamic scene modes on the app, and can also use music mode. Colorful light dances to music rhythm. It can create an ambiance for nighttime driving, making your car unique and attractive. Combined wireless car charger and car phone mount for a safe drive experience. You can attach it firmly in 3 places. Lightly touch the side buttons to open the arms. It auto clamps when you insert your phone. Even on bumpy roads, you don't need to worry about it falling. This GPS speedometer features a unique color design, showing key speed data at a glance and easy to use. Easily install it, and its GPS projector will provide you with car speed data. The windshield speedometer projector displays speed, clock, travel time, and distance traveled. If your car battery is dead, use a jump starter. This jump starter's 1,500 ampere peak current quickly starts dead batteries. Smart Boost Mode detects low voltage and flashes green below 9 volts, activating the boost button to start dead batteries. This device works as a jump starter, portable power bank, and LED flashlight with 3 modes. Here's your reliable all-terrain companion, ready for every adventure. The car wash foam gun is perfect for cleaning cars, mixing water and soap to create thick foam for a thorough wash. Easily connect its parts. It instantly turns your garden hose into a foaming washer, creating thick suds without extra attachments. Scrub the dirt with a microfiber glove and scrub the foam, and wash the car thoroughly without soap. Then dry the car with a microfiber cloth, then a shiny car is ready. The car door light projector not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also provides light when you exit the car. It's very easy to install, just attach the lights to the left and right door panels. Can automatically light up when the car door is opened, making your car look luxurious and unique. The darker the environment, the better the lighting effect. Car cup holder. Easy to install. Simply insert the cup holder extender into the original holder and twist to tighten. That's it. The U-shaped slot allows mug or bottle with handle to fit in this cup holder. It does not allow the bottle to move even in difficult places. The cup holder's rubber grip holds bottles securely, eliminating noise and movement while driving. The car door light projector not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also provides light when you exit the car. It can rotate 180 degrees in both directions. This dual-direction borescope easily navigates and inspects tight and hard-to-reach spaces with its flexible, bendable probe. You can zoom its room screen up to 1.5x. You can also record video on its screen. This tool transforms your inspection journey, making the process faster and easier than ever. Whether you're in bright sunlight or dim conditions, this display ensures you won't miss a thing. Easily charge it at home and take it with you on your travels. Car Sun Visor Organizer. Features a secure zipper pocket for storing documents, cards, or your phone. And you can easily organize your things. 3 MOLLE strap rows let you attach gear, keeping your car organized with military-grade efficiency. And you can easily install it on your car's sun visor. The Car Gear Shift hoodie has a cute and creative hoodie design. It installs on your car's shift knob to add comfort and a personal touch. In winter, it keeps your hands warm when you enter the car. Life-saving compact car safety tool. This keychain hammer gives you and your family peace of mind in case of entrapment. The solid stainless steel spike easily shatters tempered car side windows. The razor-sharp stainless steel blade cuts jammed seat belts in seconds and can be used multiple times. Door sill LED lights that make your guests feel welcome. Installed easily. The LED lights automatically turn on when the door opens. The LED door sill lights feature multicolor RGB with 7 options, making your car door lighting more vibrant. It remains practical even in rain and snow. If you like the video, subscribe for new updates.